Welcome to the in front of me UleFone Note 13B, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. First, let's just select the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, I'll go with a new one. To do that, we should hold for a while our device screen, and after that, we'll see here on the left down corner widgets icon. Just click here once, and after that you'll see all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, we can see here that the YouTube Music has only one widget. The Maps, if we'll click here, we can see 5 different types of the widgets. For example, the Google Drive has 3, the Gmail 2, the Chrome also 2, like the calendar. So for example, we can add the calendar schedule here and the full mass view. To add the widget, we should hold it, and after that we should drag it to the, for example, here to the left upper corner. If you want to resize the widget, just hold it for a while, and after that we can make it just bigger or smaller by this way. If you want to move widget here on the screen, just hold it and drag it. We can also move widgets between the screens. That's also not a problem. Just hold and drag it, and we can create a new screen with the widgets. And if you want to remove it from the home screen, you should hold it, and after that tap here to remove icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.